All right, we've cooked our clams. We got about 24 clams over there.
Mm-hmm.
We're letting those simmer. We turn those off. Those cooked in about a cup of water. So you don't need a whole lot of water. Then we kind of steam that.
Yeah.
All right, let's take the clams out.
Okay.
Over here, let's reserve about a cup and a half
Okay.
of our clam juice. So we're gonna take the clams out, put them on here, dig the little clams out, and we'll cut those up. We'll mince those up.
Okay.
This is Jane the Clam Lady's recipe for a clam linguine. So
Yeah.
easy, right here on your plate. It's easy to do. Buy you some clams at the store, and you can go to town on this. Take some of our butter. Go ahead and put in that pan. And we're not exactly level here, but it doesn't matter.
We're outside.
We're outside.
Do you want some garlic?
Yes, I do. I love a little garlic press because it's automatic. It's out there. It's already in small pieces. This is some whole grain linguine here. We're gonna put some salt, some pepper, and some flour.
Thicken it up.
We're gonna thicken that up. I'm gonna put a little more butter in there too.
Good idea.
Can't stop me, I'm out of control. Now I'm gonna mix this up. And meanwhile, we've taken a little basil and we added what we like in here. A little basil, a little oregano,
Fresh.
fresh, and some parsley. And just probably, if I had to guess, half a teaspoon of each. That's fresh. So we're just gonna get that going a little bit. So we're gonna take our cup and a half clam juice, some heavy cream, about half a cup of that. So we got 2 cups altogether. I'm just gonna pour in here. Now that flour
Yummy.
and that will begin to thicken up. 1/4 cup of wine, white wine, that's a Chardonnay. We're gonna take our clams, put those in, along with a little more parsley. And remember, we put some fresh basil and fresh oregano off of your stash out back.
That's right.
So look what we have here. Jane the Clam Lady's recipe from Ocracoke Island.
This is right from the Outer Banks, the clams.
Look at this,
Yummy.
a little Parmesan cheese. If you want to squeeze a little lemon on top of that, you could.
Want me to?
I'm trying not to look at that cake.
Turned out perfect, didn't it?
It's beautiful. But what do we have right in front of us, Mrs. Farmer?
Can I go ahead and have a try?
You can. I know how you
Oh,
love your
goodness,
pasta, and I know how you
do.
love clams.
This is like a 2-course meal here you gave me. This is pretty good.
The fish was just a starter.
That was my appetizer.
Mm-hmm.
Your sauce is amazing. Really good. Nice and thick. It's really delicious.
Wow.
The wine makes it taste really good too. It gives it that little bite.
Anytime you're doing seafood and you have lemon, you have butter, and you have cream,
Oh, wow.
you're gonna have something special.
I'll eat this while you eat the cake.
That's
That's
a
amazing.
beautiful thing. We're gonna turn the camera off. We're gonna eat a lot of this.